What's up, guys? It's your boy Sakura Soul, and today I'm playing The Hike, Return to Crystal Lake, fan made Friday the 13th game. Let's just get ready to hop right into this motherfucker. Unreal is it? Turn this down low, it's a little loud in my ear. Okay, yeah, she's naked. Okay, yep. This is definitely, Crystal Lake, if you know what I'm saying, guys. Let's hop right into this game. Now that Lizzie has gone to the water, we can talk. I really care about you. Lizzie and I ended the relationship. I know, Mark, I know. But what happened last night between us must remain a secret. Ooh, if Lizzie finds out I'm dead. Please don't say anything. Oh shit, what did they do last night? I wonder. Devious is okay. Okay, Mark, but this is the last time. If you wanna fuck, find another girl. Oh, we know what they did. It's complicated. Okay, we're busy about this. No, I go bed. I'm tired. Next scene. Here we go. I feel that too. I'm tired too. Oh, so many noises in this woods. I can't sleep. Let's take a look around. Okay, boat. Okay, run like this. Welcome to Camp Crystal Lake. Uh, hello? Wait, so all of them are sleeping in this tent. And I just get to jog around. Alright. Let's see what I can find. The moon? The moon looks beautiful, okay? Killer moon. This game actually got stamina, unlike the Friday the 13th game. We run out of stamina, I'd be walking. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Keep Johnny. Oh, shit. Oh, Baghead Jason. Um, okay, I didn't see nothing, remember, I'm a regular old counselor. I don't see nothing. Well, not really a counselor. I'm a teen camping out where we're, blind. We gotta go to the water, right? So I'm supposed to go this way. Oh, okay. Where do I go? The trail stops, right? I'm supposed to run for these bushes. Yeah, I guess I'm supposed to run for the bushes to a dead end. Oh, okay, never mind. Invisible barrier. Definitely not running the right way. Uh, Maybe this way. I don't actually know where I'm going. Like, this game is actually really good though for a fan-made game. Okay, here we go. Is there a pause button? No pause button. All right. Come back to the camp, I guess. Okay, why is the fire so... Okay, here we go. Whoa. Mark, you okay? Mark, what happened? Mark. How? Why did you do this? I cannot run him. Wait, no, this Jason runs. I forgot. It's running Jason. Why does every trip you gotta trip? Every horror movie, someone always trips. Get up and run. What the fuck? This man Jason learned some new move. 360 on your ass. 360. Hey Jason, you stepped up your game. I didn't know you had Taekwondo on your side. Welcome to Camp Crystal Lake. The hike. Return to Crystal Lake. Definitely spell Crystal, but I think that might have been on purpose. Okay, Crystal. Okay, get the waterworks. She was in the water the whole time this shit happened? What the fuck? Oh my god, what happened? Okay. Definitely gotta lure this out. Where are Emma and Mark? I think something bad happened. Damn, Jason. That horny man. Behind you, girl. Come on. I know you hear the breathing. This is actually good. I like this. Movie Friday the 13th. Oh, I forgot my bag head. That's part 2. Let's do this. Part 12. What should I do? 1974 was the scene of the brutal murder of 6 members of the Theophile family at the hands of police. It could be a destination for Halloween. They do guided tours inside the house. Lewis. Better something more macabre, something no one would do, something forbidden. James, okay. What's up, James? Listen here. I found this Crystal Lake in 1957. It said that a little boy Jason drowned. His mother retaliated by killing all the boys on campus. Okay. This is something I like. This mother, however, was killed and he believed that survived seeking revenge. He grew up in the woods of Crystal Lake, and every year he kills anyone who goes in. Now he knows this all the time. He's over here typing up on Wikipedia and stuff. He's making sure it's a place. Let's go there. Wait for the night. Yeah, totally, guys. On Friday the 13th of June, he carries out his massacre. Nothing has happened for 20 years. So what is this? Halloween H2O? But for Friday the 13th? F2O? I guess so. It's a long way. Are we lost? rocking with this music. 1970, I would have been bumping my head to this. Camp Crystal Lake. Alright. 35. You know we're definitely going 55. I told you this is the wrong way. In my opinion, we're not far away. The road is only one way here. Evan, take a look around. Evan, back for the woods. Whoa, are we here? I think this is the camp. Better tell the others. Maybe we... Oh, let's go tell the others. You know, hey, number one thing about horror movies? Hey, you in a group? You die in a group? Or you live to see yourself die solo? What you want? Alright, yep. This is the best option. Okay, guys, I found the path. Follow me. Alright, exactly. Not doing it solo, because that's how you die solo. Alright. Spectacular, we are in a place where a lot of killing is taking place. Are we sure there's no guards, so there's no surveillance cameras? Dude, come on, bro. Relax, Mac, the camp is abandoned. Definitely look abandoned. Dude, this movie you're seeing right here, dude. Shooting the arrows. Oh, God. Relive the memories. Like. Oh. Little dock over there where Jason got a kill from. Dude, so many memories, dude. Just brought into, like, close together. Not the 5-0 coming to get our car. Policeman? Alright, guess I'm running after these kids. It's better I found them before it's too late. Yeah, you're right. Hello? Come out! You need to leave this area now. Oh, well. I found the boys. They're going to the camp. They're using the northern route. The one that runs us on the lake. Okay. Got it. I followed them. I caught them in Northkill. They were driving far away. Yes, I know that, but the problem is that today is really Friday the 13th. I don't think it's a good idea that they are left alone. I didn't say I believe in those stories, but there's too many bad things that have happened here. There's a reason why the campus is closed. Okay, got it. No! Whoa! Kicked in the nut? No way! Yo, Jason, you kill packets, bro. I did not see none of this in Friday the 13th. Look at the shadows sitting on me. What am I gonna do? I'm so dead. Hello? Oh. I can't escape, dude. Please. No way someone's surviving that though, right? I told you I saw the shadow. Come on, Jason. What are you gonna do? Listen. Fuck Jason. We know I'm dead. We know I'm dead. Alright, well, next character. We finally arrived. Welcome to Crystal Lake. Let's have a look around. Alright, look around. I believe it is very similar to how it is described. It's actually crazy. This is actually really good death. I don't know, they were talking about a cemetery. Maybe it's in the area. Let's take a look around. Cemetery? Where you guys think the cemetery would be? Probably over here somewhere, right? Game does it really good. Hold up. Right back. Alright. Let's go. Scratch your name. I'm gonna call you Evan. I think it's Evan, right? This has to be it, right? Bench. My loved ones. Bro, 2 random boxes? Okay. Right. Listen, if I gotta hop on one of these bikes, I will be gone. I'll let y'all know. I will be gone. Fuck. Hello. Oh, look at that cemetery. Yo. Jason Voorhees. There you are. Wait, so where's your mother? Your mother's cemetery here? R.I.P. So they claim Jason dead? What's in here? Shh. It's quite similar to the photos. And the tomb. Very impressive. This all feels so real, it almost makes me shiver. The most disturbing thing are the candles. Who lit them? Yeah, we need, for real, like, who lit them? Like, we gotta find out as a team, one way or another, that we're gonna die together. It would be nice to be able to make a bonfire and summon Jason. Maybe it's waiting. You think about it, a lot of people died in this lake. Jason? Main character. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready, guys. Know these hands. Come, know these hands right here? They're gonna save me. Yeah. So if Jason ever did come, like, I don't want to let y'all know, we're so dead, so dead. Thought I saw someone be on the shore. I must be wrong. No way. You're telling me you're second guessing yourself after you saw something. And you're not gonna tell your homies. She's still in the water? That's crazy. How are the cops not close this place down? You think the generator will work? Here, it gets really dark at night. We could try to turn them on. Okay, so now we're playing Dead by Daylight. In this game. Don't offer yourself all together. I understand I'm going. Where is the generator? This. Alright. I ain't got no skill checks, do I? Oh yeah, the lights on. Let's go, baby. Following the lights, Evan did it. How about a good horror story? Nope. Sit around, drink. Let's wait for Evan. Where has he gone? We'll sit around, take a little shots. Evan? Evan! Evan's dead. Gotta run into one of these guys. What the fuck? Where did you just die from? Run! Oh my god! I thought Evan was gonna be the main character. No, he died. Oh, never died. Okay, there's still one more, right? I count 1, 2. Oh, yep. Oh fucking shit. Wait, I'm gonna put. Listen, it is impossible. No. The puzzle grab. I'm gonna grab the machete and I fight him. This doesn't follow me. Maybe I lost him. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Lewis, path for the night. Path for the woods, late night. Go. I gotta look at the paint. Wait, that's not paint. There seems to be a police right now. Oh, I ain't got time for that. Wait. Police here, why? I don't even have the car keys. Blood on the ground, not good. Okay, oh shit. Come on. Let's go. Fuck you, Jason. Did we escape? Bro, dodge him. Dodge him. Jason just one hit the car? No way. He just one hit the dude, bro. Jesus Christ. Get up. Get up. Wait. Oh, that was a random driver. Bro. This is not fun. It's gonna tell me how to do that little thing, ain't it? Here we go. Bad idea, I think, but it's the only way out. No, run. Come on, Lewis, don't look down. Oh yeah, down. Invisible barriers. Straight death. Come on, dude. Almost there. There we go. I know that Crystal Lake had a theme park. Really impressive. Oh. Dude, am I tripping? Y'all, do y'all see this? Please tell me you see the man standing right there. No, this is not go that way. Do I have to? Yes, yep. This is waiting. Shit. Oh, run. It's gotta be the way. Where'd I go? Please. Lift me, Jason. Bro, where do I go? Right. Get away from me, Jason. There's nowhere to go. Kinda just like dead. Where am I going? Wait, do I run back? Oh, I'm back. It's gotta be the way I go, right? Away from me, Jason. I'm so dead. I'm so happy. I'm so much faster than you, Jason. Run! Where do I go? Dude, guys, I don't know. Wait, where maybe? Alright, where do I go? Guys. Okay. I don't know what to do. Pretty sure there was only death. I guess. Hi guys, this was a different look, the hype. Friday the 13th. I would say I really enjoyed this game. It was fun. I liked it. I liked the Friday the 13th tempo. I like how it was actually shown real, like, from the movies. Thank you. And really appreciate the guy who created this game. Shout out to you. But peace, guys. It's your boy Cycler Soul. Thank you for tuning in. Wait, oh wait. Oh, Freddy? My old friend. Yo, I was just getting ready to do the outro and they debated me with some good shit like that. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy Sagway Soul, and that was Never Hike at Crystal Lake. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Later.